Trio Floor, a professional vinyl flooring manufacturer integrating production, research and sales, we are one of the first batch of manufacturers to introduce the international advanced SPC production line. Main products include all kinds of vinyl flooring, SPC flooring, WPC flooring, LVT flooring, and vinyl sheet flooring including homogeneous flooring, heterogeneous flooring. Our state-of-the-art factory is dedicated to producing high-quality stone plastic composite, SPC, flooring, a revolutionary product in the flooring industry. Combining advanced technology with sustainable practices, we specialize in creating durable, waterproof, and eco-friendly flooring solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Sustainability is at the core of our operations. We prioritize recyclable materials and energy-efficient processes to minimize environmental impact. Our products are exported worldwide, catering to the needs of customers in many countries. We are committed to delivering excellence on a global scale.